Last time, I showed you how to make a header from scratch. Today, let me explain how to create a header with the Elementor plugin. This is more simple, easy and powerful. Additionally, I will introduce how to make a mega menu. As far as I am concerned, it's not easy to find a free mega menu plugin. For those who need a mega menu, today's video will be very helpful. Let's get started. Let me create 3 pages to use as header templates. I will name headers 1, 2, 3. Make the default headers invisible in page settings. Go to Elementor page edit. Click the Elements Kit icon. Go to the Section tab. 6 header templates are provided. Let's try one by one. Link the menu in the header and check the responsive screen. After updating, save the template. Let me name header 1, 2, 3 like the page name. Go to the page where you want to change the header. Click the Add Template button. Go to My Templates tab. Find the header you created and click the Insert link. Choose No. I just saved it in the default state simply. When you in work, in case of header, various additional work required, such as responsive screen, logo etc. So I recommend, create a template after finishing all those works. After that, load and use in this way. Change the position. Select the menu. Then the header is completed. So the search icon has moved down. Because of long menu. Adjust the number of menus. Change the logo. In this way, we can change header easily. Click the responsive icon. You should check the header status on the mobile, tablet and desktop. Check menu when you click it. As you can see, you can check it like front-end website, in element inspection mode. Check while changing the screen size. Let's test the second header. This header has no top bar. As you can see, the style is broken. You need to adjust the size appropriately. The third header also needs to adjust. But the design is similar, it will be better to select first one and modify. Let's create a mega menu from now on. The Elements Kit plugin provides 4 styles of mega menus. Check one by one and you can choose and use it what you like. Click the Edit button and edit the subtitle. Select the menu list and edit the menu title and link. Link the new header page. Let's check it on the front end. The most disappointing thing is that there is no way to connect the main menu and the mega menu. It is common to display the mega menu when you mouse over the main menu. It doesn't have that function. I don't know if there is a feature in the premium version, but by default it doesn't. So, let's make this function by adding JavaScript. Add each CSS class to the mega menu and main menu column. Let me add main menu and mega menu. Add a HTML code. As you can see between the script tag, add a JavaScript code. Let me show you zoom in. This is a simple code that shows the main menu when you mouse over it. If there is something missing, modify it. Let's test it on the front end. Show it when you hover. If you leave the area, it will be hidden. Let's change to another mega menu. Add a CSS class. Add the HTML code. In this way, the mega menu is completed simply.